Hey guys, in this part we talk about dictionaries in Python, part 2. Remove dictionary items. There are several methods to remove items from a dictionary. The pop method removes the item with a specified key name. So, uh, car equal to brand is Ford and model is Mustang and year is 1964 and car dot pop model, print the car, save and run. And we have brand and year and we don't have model. And the pop item method removes the last inserted item. In versions before 3.7, a random item is removed instead. So car dot pop item and remove the model, save and run. And we have brand and model and we don't have year. And the del keyword removes the item with a specified key name. So for example, delete car and brand key, save and run. And we have model and year and we don't have brand. And the del keyword can also delete the dictionary completely. So delete car, and this will cause an error because the car no longer exists. Run, name car is not defined. And the clear method empties the dictionary. So car dot clear, save and run, and we have an empty dictionary. And loop through a dictionary. You can loop through a dictionary by using a for loop. When looping through a dictionary, the return value are the keys of the dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. So comment and for x in car and print x, print x, yeah. And we have keys, and we can print all values in the dictionary one by one. So car and x, save, and we have values. And you can also use the values method to return values of a dictionary. For example, remove car and car dot values, save, and we have values. And you can use the keys method to return the keys of a dictionary. Keys, save and run, and we have keys. And we can loop through both keys and values by using the items method. Items x and y, print x and y, save and run. We have brand Ford, model Mustang, and year, and yeah. And copy a dictionary. You cannot copy a dictionary simply by typing, for example, dictionary 2 is dictionary 1, because dictionary 2 will only be a reference to dictionary 1, and changes made in dictionary 1 will automatically also be made in dictionary 2. There are ways to make a copy. One way is to use the built-in dictionary method, such as copy method. So comment, and for example, my dictionary, my dict equal to car dot copy, and print my dict, save and run. And we have the values and keys. And another way to make a copy is to use the built-in function dict. So comment, and my dict is dict function car, save and run, and we have the same result. And nested dictionaries. A dictionary can contain dictionaries. This is called nested dictionaries. So I comment and comment these lines and create a dictionary. My family is child 1 equal to name is child 1 is a dictionary. Child 1 is name is, for example, Emil, and here is this, and here in the codes, and child 2 is another dictionary. Save run, copy and paste, and copy and paste. We have child 3, name is Tobias, and 7, name is this, and here is 2011, and save and print my family. Save and run, and we have child 1, child 2, and child 3. Or if you want to add 3 dictionaries into a new dictionary, you can create 3 dictionaries. Then create one dictionary that will contain the other 3 dictionaries. So I copy this and paste here. Child 1 is a dictionary, and copy, paste and paste, and child 2 and child 3, copy keys and values, and child 1 is child 1, and child 2 and child 3, and save and run, and we have the same result.